how much should you actually spend on a rowing machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Drypex Magnetic Rower. This is the Drypex Magnetic Rower, priced at $169.99. What caught my eye was its impressive features for the price point. If you want a full-body workout without stressing your joints, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Drypex rowing machine combines cardio and strength training seamlessly, engaging your core while providing a low-impact workout. The powerful 12-pound flywheel and 16 levels of magnetic resistance let you customize your workout intensity easily. Plus, it's incredibly quiet, operating under 15 decibels, making it perfect for home use without disturbing anyone. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 1,000 reviews, many people appreciate its stability and the dual slide design that safely accommodates users from 45 to 65. Here's the thing though, most users found it straightforward and quick, so it likely depends on your DIY skills. If you're familiar with simple assembly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable rower for a home gym without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end machine with advanced features, but for the price, it's a steal. Now, if the assembly concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an even easier setup. Product number 2, MERACH Rowing Machine. Next up is the MERACH rowing machine, priced at $189.99. Its sleek design and impressive features caught my attention. If you're after a quiet, app-connected workout experience, this one deserves your attention. It's equipped with a quiet magnetic flywheel, so you won't disturb anyone while you exercise. With a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds and a dual slide rail designed for stability, it's perfect for users of different sizes. Over 2,100 reviews give it a solid rating of 4.4 stars, indicating that many appreciate its smooth operation and ease of use. Now, some users indicated that the seat could be more comfortable for longer sessions. But honestly, considering the price and features, it still stands out as a great option for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly rowing machine that connects to an app for tracking workouts. Skip this one if comfort is your top priority during long workouts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to save space and get a complete body workout. Product number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rowing Machine. Here we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rowing Machine, priced at $129.54. The price really caught my attention for such a well-rated product. If you need something compact yet effective, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This rower provides a full-body workout and engages major muscle groups with its smooth hydraulic resistance. It has 12 levels of resistance, so you can easily adjust based on your fitness level. The built-in SunnyFit app offers over 1,000 workouts and virtual tour, which is super motivating. With 19,800 reviews and a rating of 4.4 stars, users love how lightweight it is for easy transport and storage, weighing just 22.4 pounds. Now, the downside is that some users feel it might not provide enough resistance for advanced athletes. But if you're just starting or looking to maintain fitness, this should work perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, space-saving option for home workouts. Skip this one if you're a pro athlete needing intense resistance workouts. Next, if the limited resistance in the Sunny machine raised concerns for you, check out this next rowing machine that offers adjustable resistance for all levels. Product number 4, WaterRower Magnetic Rower. Next on the list is the WaterRower Magnetic Rower, available for $189.99. The variety of features really impressed me. If you're looking for a reliable machine that supports a wide range of workouts, this one's worth checking out. Its dual silent system ensures a quiet workout, so you can exercise whenever you like without disturbing others. Weighing 350 pounds and accommodating users up to 62, this machine is built to last and is robust. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 1,900 reviews, many users appreciate its durability and easy connectivity with fitness apps for tracking data. However, some users mention that the initial assembly took longer than expected. But I think that speaks to its sturdy build, definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a durable rowing machine that can grow with your fitness level. Skip this one if you need something more portable. Now, if you're interested in a compact option, the next one is designed for those tight on space but still wanting a full-body workout. Product number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact Rower. Last but not least is the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact Rower, priced at $199.99. Its full-motion design really caught my eye. If you're after a versatile machine that provides a complete range of motion, this one is certainly interesting. It supports up to 400 pounds, accommodating users of various sizes, while the digital monitor tracks essential metrics like calories burned. With a 4.4-star rating from 6,900 reviews, users appreciate its stability and the adjustable resistance that allows for a customizable workout experience. However, some users found it a bit bulky for certain spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have the room, the benefits it provides far outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you want an effective all-in-one rowing machine for a full-body workout. Skip this one if space is your biggest constraint. To wrap up, we've covered 5 solid options today, each with unique features to fit various needs, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Make sure you choose one that aligns with your workout goals and space requirements. We've gone through some great rowing machines today, from the budget-friendly Drypex to the feature-rich Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Compact Rower. Each has something different to offer, whether it's price, features, or space-saving designs. Think about what matters most to you in a rowing machine, and you'll find the perfect fit.